Chairman, bakit hindi 180 days?
Oh, sige nga po. Bakit nga po hindi 180 days?
Nahihiya kayo?
Nahiya po talaga.
Huwag kayong mahiya. Maraming walang hiya ngayon. Kaya huwag kayong mahiya. Huwag kayong mahiya.
Pagka mahiya kayo at yung mga walang hiya, mapapakinggan yung walang hiya, pero yung mga may hiya,
Nung sinabi po ni Presidente, mahiya naman kayo, hindi ho kayo yun. Tayo dapat yung hindi nahihiya na magpondo ng tama. Senator Robin, tama di ba? Tama. So, ako po, I would suggest, and again, there's an interesting time right now. There's an opportunity to fund education properly. Kung 180 days talaga, let's ilagay ninyo. Submit it to the committee and let's see what we can do. No?
Maraming salamat po,
Opo.
Senator.
Mr.
And I,
Chairman,
excuse me, Senator, I just want to know also, is that really recommended kung everyday may pagkain? Obviously, is that tama ba yung common knowledge na obviously that will be better for everybody? Yes? Okay.
yes, Mr. Chairman, just, if you add another 60 days based on your computation, it's about 6 billion. Under 6 billion to have the 180 days. Kasi 120 days nyo is 11.7 eh. Oh, divided by 2. Di ba? So it's just another under 6 billion.
We can compute, we'll give DepEd time to compute properly, Senator.